self-description is the last test in your series of psychological tests. And as we discussed, it is to evaluate a candidate's opinion. What is your opinion that others might be thinking about yourself? That is what we are trying to bring out here. It is not just focused on a certain bunch of qualities. It is one test where all your 15 officer-like qualities can be assessed. Okay, some tips, points to remember. How to approach this test. Practice. There is no other substitute to practicing. However, it comes with a rider. Practice naturally, whatever is coming to you naturally. Don't overdo. Over practicing is not going to work. If you put a very structured language in your SDT, पर आपके पूरे टेस्ट में अगर वैसा लैंग्वेज नहीं है, if that is not your original words from dictionary, your natural vocabulary doesn't have those words, you are going to put yourself into a troublesome situation. Okay, so don't try to do that. Practice it to see what naturally is coming to you in terms of self-description. This is an easy chance where you can inform the assessors that you possess what they are demanding. So it's a good way to bring out all the 15 qualities, where and how they come into you. This is an easy, we address this. Maintain composure and focus throughout the test. Don't be in a panic situation. Attempt it very slowly, considerably. Take your time to remember. 15 minutes is enough time. 15 minutes means you have 5 questions. Okay? Say you have 5 questions. So not more than 3 minutes to each question should you give. Rather give 2.5 to each. Okay? Avoid making mistakes in this particular space. Let me tell you. Carefully listen to the instructions of the psychologist and abide to whatever directions you receive. Every board very frequently changes the format. Don't go with this preconceived idea कि ये 5 questions इसी तरीके से आएंगे. Don't go with that idea. What you write should not be in contradiction to what you wrote in your PIQ. When we'll come to PIQ, you will understand how this figures out there. To your TAT, VAT, SRT, what you will portray in the next remaining days. So whatever you write here, where you are kind of claiming that you have these qualities in you. So make sure those qualities are exhibited well by you. Make the opportunity that you get in your group task and show these qualities there. Remember that there are no right and wrongs in this particular interview. The only requirement is when all these tests are put together, it should superimpose into one single personality. 15 minutes is definitely a good time to write answers to this question. Again, neat handwriting. Neat handwriting brings out that you are somebody who has clear thoughts, you have clarity. आपको पता है अपने बारे में अच्छे से. It shows confidence. So make the most of this and write it down very nicely. Next. Yes, do not write anything which you feel is against you or which kills the essence of testing the OLQs. This brings to me a very important point that we often do as a mistake. Adjectives. No need of using unnecessary additional adjectives for yourself. Keep it very direct, precise, use specific pointers. My teachers feel 1, 2, 3, 4 about me. That's all. Put it in pointers. Make it as brief and as clear as possible. Do not write fantastical or imaginary attributes. I get dreams of being leader when I'm asleep. Okay, we are not going into that poetic way of writing. No flowery languages. The weaknesses that you mention should not be such that affects the 15 OLQs that they are looking for. What does that mean? It is definitely not that you go in a denial mode that my weakness is some people write, you know, that my weakness is overthinking, or I'm just giving an example. Don't be in a denial mode. However, put in the points in a more acceptable manner. Okay. I think a lot. That can be. I plan a lot. These are certain ways. I'm giving an example. Don't take it as sacrosanct कि इसी तरीके से लिखना है. Never write that I don't have any weaknesses. That is what is deniability. Never go in denial mode. Remember that each opinion you write says that you, as a person, is what you have written. So be careful in choosing the words. Exactly. जो आप लिख रहे हो, एक एक word matters here. It shows a part of your personality. So be very careful in the choice of words. You can frame a good SD having the heads mentioned before and learn it word to word, but be dynamic in case the assessor changes any of the headings. This we have already discussed. Next. Okay, so these are certain samples. Okay. Before we get into the samples, let's discuss those questions. And I want to understand from all of you, what kind of qualities in you do you think will it show? So for example, uh, Saksham, could you quickly take us to the 5 questions? I want you all to tell me, yes, thank you. What of the 15 officer-like qualities can be highlighted in each of these questions? Understood? Okay, let's take the first question. What parents think of you? आपको क्या लगता है कौन सी क्वालिटीज ये 15 जो हमने डिस्कस किए थे ऑफ दैट which qualities can be brought out and expressed here? I would like to add कि think that as a son. Now we are completely zoom into that finer part of being just the child to your parents. They might expect something from you as an individual. They might expect something from you as a child, as their child. ये दोनों qualities ये दोनों expectations बहुत अलग हैं. For example, my mother would want that I should be somebody who is socially effective. Social effectiveness की बात करें. But that will be कि हाँ, she wants to see her child doing well, and she would expect that from me as an individual whom she is raising. But as a child, to run the house, to keep the family going, what is expected? She will expect a certain degree of social adjustment. She will expect a organizing ability from me, and cooperation, sense of responsibility. These things will be mostly expected from a child of your age, with say siblings. This is what she would expect from you as being a member of the family. Okay. Similarly, when we say parents, so there will be qualities expected from you, your father, and there will be qualities expected from your mother. So you might have to sit and think, what is that my mother expects from me, and what is there as they expected from my father. Now, I'm not being biased, disclaimer I'm giving, but a father expects differently from a daughter, a father expects differently from a son. And this varies in every family scenario. Is this point understood? If not, I will repeat. But ये बहुत important point है. Okay. Aap being a daughter, a father expects a different thing from the daughter. A father of a son might expect little different things from the son. So, depending on your family scenario, depending on your personal experiences, इसको उस हिसाब से आप फॉर्म करो. Jot down. In the beginning, you might feel there are too many things. It's okay. Slowly jot down and then you slowly refine it. See that how many are the most important expectations from expectations that my parent have from me. A very important thing here could be somebody who is contributing to the family, who is also seeing that the family's social status is maintained or enhanced. This is something which is expected from each child. सो इस चीज को आप कैसे उसमें वर्ड्स में कैसे डालोगे? यू हैव टू सिट एंड वर्क इट आउट. ओके. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट डज हिज और हर टीचर oblique employer think of him or her? अब इसमें दो चीज आ गई हैं, एम्प्लॉयर एंड टीचर. Teacher will expect something very different. Employer will expect something very different. Let's address them individually. Teacher. What will a teacher expect? What do friends? This is easy. What do friends expect? Yes? Yes, Vanshika.
Ma'am, liveliness.
Liveliness. Yes. What else?
Social
Then
adaptability.
Adaptability. Yes. ये नहीं कि if you are planning a picnic or something, or you have to go somewhere, and you are like, no, I can't come to this place. I can't. So we tend to show such kind of things. It's okay, but social adaptability is something. What else can a friend circle expect?
cooperation and teamwork.
Cooperation.
Cooperation.
Power of expression.
Power of expression. Why power of expression is important in friends? They will expect you to be better communicators. They will expect that you discuss things, discuss matters, help them out in situations. This is what a friend might expect from you. Okay. One thing. Courage can be expected from whom all? I mean, who all will expect courage from you? Friends. Yes, very good. Friends will also expect, employers will also expect courage. Positive aggression is something which employers will also expect. We can also take courage of facing and handling situation can also be expected by your parents. Moral courage, when we talk of courage, is two types: physical and moral. That is being taken. Courage of conviction. So parents will expect you should have that courage to take on to help your family in a time of crisis. We have seen the COVID situation. So in such situations, your family will expect courage from you. Okay. Courage, you can also additionally, related to courage, you can bring out qualities when you write your own opinion about yourself. Okay. Now we are left with stamina is what we haven't covered in these categories. Who will expect stamina? Yes, very good. Employer as well as your teacher. So generally, if you see who would be monitors or house captains, or even in college, who will be these, class representatives, or you are taken for leading a project, all these type of roles come to people who have a lot of stamina. Okay, so stamina again is two types: mental and physical. So both will be expected. Okay, now what will you write in opinion about yourself? सारे 15 तो हमने ऊपर कवर कर लिए. What will you write in opinion about yourself? Your strong points. Yes. Now, in opinion about yourself, you can bring a comprehensive picture. You can bring out qualities which show again which is kind of reiterating your strengths. So this is like a reiteration happening. आप अपने जो strength के छोटे छोटे you have brought out कि you have this quality that ये quality आपके अंदर है through what others think about you. But when you think about you, you should emphasize on your strongest point. So if your strongest point is organizing ability, bring it out first. If your strength is sense of responsibility, do bring out. Okay. Now, what qualities can you put in the category of qualities to improve? So this is you can say, demystifying the self-description test to this extent. Yeah, sample. Here are certain samples for you. These are not sacrosanct. ऐसे ही लिखना है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. But let's have a look at it. In my father's opinion, okay? In my mother's opinion. If you see very beautifully, it is divided in two parts. In my father's opinion, in my mother's opinion. They find me. See the words used. I am. The moment you put I am, you are 100% sure that these are their opinion about you. My mother feels that I am. Okay. You have to constantly bring that out, that it is their opinion that you are describing in your words. They find me. Okay. My parents appreciate. So few qualities they would strongly say, few qualities they find in you very, it is a discovery for them also in their child, and few qualities they appreciate and acknowledge you for. Difference समझ में आया तीनों में? नहीं आया तो just let me know. I'll repeat it once again. This is an important part. Understood? I take it that understood. Okay. So divide your answers and frame these sentences. As crisp and shorter your sentences are, that will be I won't say the best, but it is the best expressed version of you. Keep it as concise as possible. So here they have brought out father, then mother, then what together as parents they feel out of you, and what all have you been involved in. Like I involve in active participation of guiding him or her. So again, instead of guiding, probably I would had I been here, I would write that I involve myself in actively participating in the decision making for my academic. So here he is talking about his younger sibling. So your parents are appreciative of the fact that you are helping out your younger siblings. So these elements also you can bring out. Your parents need not be appreciative only for you doing something for them, but as a whole, आप family के लिए क्या क्या कर रहे हो? Do bring it out. Okay. Next, teacher's opinion. Okay. Similarly, teachers can see your qualities in your studies, in your class participation, in your extracurricular activity and co-curricular activities. Okay. Can anybody quickly tell me the difference between co-curricular and extracurricular activities? So bring that out, and you can, if you see the example also says that how beautifully he has put the candidate has put across that because of your performance or because of your certain qualities, how you were selected as appointment or given a responsibility. So it can also be like, if you have done something, if you have contributed immensely in a certain extracurricular activity, you could be made a head of a project. So even if you have not been school captain or a prefect or a college class representative, there would be occasions where you would have been put as a leader. Sit and think and do bring that out. Okay. Next one. Okay, so element of humor is like liveliness, joyous, jolly are all signs of liveliness. Cooperative skills have gained me lot of respect. Okay, amongst them. Approachable. Approachability is a sign of cooperation. Um, Thus, I try to, okay, discipline and focus. So, if you are somebody disciplined and focused, it also indicates that you are somebody who is helping your friends also to remain disciplined and focused. So, agar abhi aap college mein ho, if you are somebody disciplined and focused, your entire group gets impacted, your group of friends, right? So if you notice, you will have your friend circle also will be like this. You know, people who are preparing for something or are focused on something. If they are not, they will become. So that is the impact a friend can put on others. Okay. You could have guided them. Problem solving is another thing which you can bring out here. A very interesting quality. However, not you it can come in sense of responsibility. Problem solving. So you help your friends in resolving certain issues that they face. That can come out in sense of responsibility. Okay. Next. Okay. Now comes to the thing opinion about self. Okay, here you can bring out about your strengths, the most strongest strongest points of yours. You can bring it out here, and you can also take this opportunity to bring out what kind of responsibilities you have had, which show that based on your certain qualities, you have been nominated to take certain responsibility roles in your school or your college. Emphasize college if you are giving CDS. Do emphasize roles in college also. Don't limit it to school. Okay. I prefer to work in groups. It's a good way to show team spirit. Encourage my juniors to perform better, call it confidently. All these are elements to show that you are a team person. This is something which is very much expected. A true leader is somebody who acknowledges the team, who puts the team in front and carries them along. Okay. You can also bring out situations where you how will they put that in a word? The speed of decision element ko dikhane ke liye, you can bring out situations where you went on to help somebody or to deal a situation. Bring out something where you helped in a stranger. That kind of elements you can bring out. Social that brings out that you are somebody who is aware socially also. A situational awareness is something which is expected from you. So those qualities also should come out in your self opinion. Next, qualities to improve. Yes, so as we discussed, the qualities which we feel are trainable, which qualities which are trainable and which you feel you need to work upon them can be brought out here. So if you see the person, the candidate has written, I want myself to be physically stronger, excelling in sports and other exercises, broaden my general awareness, develop reading habit. More than develop, I would suggest you can also write enhance my reading skills, make it more, sound like that. And eventually, I want to be better version of myself, academically, physically, professionally. Okay. So this is how crisp. And if you see, yes, he or she, whoever this example has been taken from, has very nicely brought it out in 4-5 sentences. I'm open to questions. Thank you, Sakshan. You can close this slide.
Good evening, ma'am. This is Anayat.
Yeah. Yes,
So, ma'am, I have a question regarding the SG, which was the second question regarding the teachers and employers. So, are we supposed to write a culmination of both, or can we write different opinions of our employer and teachers from
No.
us?
Different. 2 lines teacher, 2 lines employer.
Yes.
Okay. Same goes for parents. 2 lines mother, 2 lines father. Collectively, as parents, they can think. But teacher and employer cannot have a collective opinion about you. That is
Yes,
why we
ma'am.
are saying two different. Yeah,
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
you're welcome.